Every year, Sri Lanka throws away 1.6 million tons of plastic waste. And every school term, 4.4 million students finish 75 million exercise books. Most end up in landfills. But what if we could give those pages a second life? We never liked single-use plastic bags at I Love Ceylon. So we said no to plastic and yes to recycling. We created a cottage industry where families turn discarded exercise books into beautiful, useful envelopes. First, old exercise books and textbooks are collected from schools and homes. Nothing is wasted. Even scribbled pages get new purpose. The covers are carefully removed. Then, in cottage workshops, they're cut into perfect envelope shapes, using only simple rulers and cutters. Edges are folded, crisp and neat. A little glue, eco-friendly of course, seals the sides. Every envelope keeps the original school lines and doodles, giving each one its own unique story. Every envelope is handmade, one by one, with care. These families, mostly women working from home, earn fair money for every piece they make. Your purchase puts food on their tables and keeps kids in school. And the planet wins too. No new trees cut, no plastic waste added, just clever reuse. Our recycled exercise book envelopes come in 2 sizes. Perfect for postcards, letters, gifts, or even as eco-friendly packaging for your online orders. See the full range at ilovesalon.com. We ship worldwide. Or drop by our stores in Ella, Angama, Marissa, Noatuna and Gaul Fort. Like, subscribe and comment below. What do you recycle? I Love Ceylon. We sell the nicest things.